force and laws of motion. In the earlier chapter, motion, we have studied position of an object, the time taken, which is nothing but we have referred it as the rate, and from the next point itself, the changes in the position, the change in position leading to distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration. Now, we have also told that an object moves from position A to position B from an initial velocity of u to a final velocity of v in time t, and therefore the rate of change of velocity v minus u by t is defined as acceleration. And this has been thoroughly discussed in the chapter motion, but we have to understand an important point, that a body traveling with a velocity say 20 meters per second has increased its velocity to 40 meters per second, or has come to rest which is 0 meters per second. Now if that is the case, what has changed the velocity? Something called force has changed the velocity. Force applied on this body has resulted in increase of velocity, or if it has come to 0, it has the same force working in this direction has decreased the velocity. So increase or decrease of velocity resulting in acceleration or retardation of an object is caused by force. So force is defined as the push or the pull that changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion or direction of the motion of the body. Even though I apply a force on this paper, it is not moving, so this kind of force tends to change. I try to push the paper, but it's not being pushed because of the gravity or inertia. Before going into the depth of the lesson, we should understand that in this entire universe there are 4 kinds of forces: the gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong forces, and weak forces. These gravitational force and electromagnetic force are very large range forces. They operate over long distances, whereas strong force and weak force, these are very minute micro forces. They act in the nuclear range, atomic range, and therefore they are called short range forces. Of all these forces, gravitation force is the weakest of all, and it is also the reference point, and the other forces are always referred with reference to the gravitation force, because electromagnetic force is 10 power 36 times the gravitation force, and the strong forces are 10 power 38 times the gravitational force, and the weak forces are 10 power 25 times the gravitational force.